All right, we've got a question here that gives us the limit as x approaches infinity for e of x over x to the n, and we want to prove that this is true for all positive integers of n. Okay, first of all, if we know that we have all positive integers of n, then this will be infinity at the bottom, and then e to the infinity would also go to infinity, so we could say that we would get an intermediate type form of the type infinity over infinity. So we can apply L'Hopital's rule, and that would be the limit as x approaches infinity, e to the x to the n is equal to